Supra.
What the hell is Supra then?
He's spinning the shit out of it. Yo, so let's go there. Golf MK1 1994.
Oh, boy, you hear? Too many cars outside. No lie.
Oh, so
Hey yo, what's good, YouTube? This is your boy. Sauce in the sauce. Sauce in the what? Sauce in the sauce.
I'm in the sauce, the boy in the sauce.
And we're back at it again. I'm kidding. What's good, YouTube? This is your boy, Saucy Show. Welcome back to another Saucy video and another Sleeper Baby. So in today's video, as you can see, yeah, we are going to a car. We don't even know where we're going. Oh, look at this couple. Star Ivan. He's not Uncle Ivan. He's Star Ivan. So today.
Nobody.
It's not like fun.
Nobody.
Oh, where the fuck is y'all bitches at? Cause y'all said. Cause y'all literally said. Wait. There's music. There's music. There's music. Wait, am I listening correct? Am I listening to the inner core of my ear?
Oh, nice to hear.
oh, Jazzy. They're beating Jazzy. How are you, boy? You good?
I'm good, boy.
Tell them how you lost your account, boy.
Boy, you know what happened there?
Yeah, boy.
I forgot my password, my email wasn't registered, and I typed shit.
There's music. There's a lot of people.
So make sure y'all follow my new account. Bah.
Free promo. Thank you.
Nah, bro, like.
Okay.
don't do that, bro.
Okay.
Okay.
Tell them.
What did I say?
Tell them to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Okay.
And call me Daddy.
Okay.
Daddy Saucy. Daddy Sean.
One
Daddy
y'all
Sean.
thing can do for Saucy, y'all can like, comment, share, and subscribe for Ivan.
I'ma cut this part out.
Yo!
Alright, for the guys, there's motion where we at. Okay, we're gonna catch up when we get to the comment.
What's good, YouTube? Joe, is it for free? This one, boy. This one is cooking, boy. This one is cooking, boy. Hey, you come. It's a super. You come the cousin here, bro. You come the cousin here, bro.
Oh my, taking cars.
Joe, wait. This Mercedes, boy. Wait. Wait, come this Mercedes. Dude, he's spinning the shit out of it. Yo, I can't be waiting this long for nothing. He's gonna drift it. He's gonna drift it. That one, you see that one next to a text? Oh, you're done, bro. But you're gonna be here one day. Hit it! Yo! Haha! Let's vibe, boy. Let's get these. Yo, boy. What you mean, DSG? Well, let's vibe. Are we allowed to get it, boy? Supra.
What the hell is Supra then?
Supra, bro. It's a Supra. So you don't know a Supra. check this, man. I even lost this. Like we literally lost right now. Like we literally lost right now. We lost. This guy lost us, bro. Oof, listen to that.
I told you that nigga started acting like a...
Boy, vlog me. Vlog me, boy. Vlog me, boy. Do you see what's going on here, boy?
There's a lot going on, bro.
We literally, Ivan literally, he took us, we took the wrong route. But God blessed us with this.
Well, I feel like corn right now.
Well, let's go there. Hey, Golf, MK1, 1994, if I'm not lying. If I'm not lying.
Oh, Skiro, boy. Hey, oh, this motherfucker right here.
Vlog them. I might fuck around and give me a snow bunny.
Yo.
Who's trying to fit in? Who's trying to fit in?
I wanna be in the vlog. Can I hold it? Guys, of this car right here. There's too many cars outside right now. Oh, boy, you hear? Too many cars outside. No lie. Oh, Sosi. Nice car, man. That boy.
Let's go vlog that.
Guys,
Hit on that hoe. Why the fuck is you drifting, bro? Like road set. Bro.
it's like a private road.
Bro, like.
Public, it's a public way.
Bro.
They don't care.
Bro, where the fuck are we, bro? Bro, where the fuck are
we
we?
were supposed to go to an event. Now we were at the car meet, bro. Now we at a car meet. Dog, this is an A1 doing this.
Trip Chakari, bro. I'm giving you an idea.
Oh my gosh. A boy in the scarlet, bruh.
I'll kill you. When I see college, I see gangster.
When I see scarlet, I see gangster. Golf's dubside. Oh boy, whose car is that on the floor?
This guy is dead on the floor, bro.
That guy needs to breathe. Bro, so let me give you like an idea. Go to this. Nigga, do it, nigga. I'm giving you an idea.
Boy, let's fight.
Let's buy. Let's buy, bro.
I have to bull along. In 4 or 5 years, or 3 even, or 2 if I'm blessed enough, I'ma pull through here.
Yo, nigga, moving, yo.
With the most coldest car ever, bro. Watch this space. We manifesting right now.
In 4 years.
It's on side.
It's on side.
How the fuck are we gonna cross here, bro? People are getting
Oh, man, you didn't see him, bro. So, look at this nigga.
Where the fuck are we, bro?
Wait, let's just back. We find this side. Got the, like the side.
He thinks you're gonna listen to him again.
Arena Hotel Casino, bro. Let's find it. Barrisa. Oh my god.
You're getting it, boy. You're catching it, boy. It's like Mini Cooper one, bro.
That's just so sick. Nah, dog, there's a nigga who's finna come back, boy, out trust, boy. He's driving a...
You won't be smoking from here. This is a robber, for goodness sake.
Are we paying to get in, like, in Minute Maid?
It's last week. I mean, last time.
Okay, buddy. This nigga is smoking. Oh boy, you don't understand how I'm into cars, bro. I love cars. I'm taking over the vlog.
Bro,
It's a Jaguar.
Bro, die Mini Coopers, yo. Bankers. This Mini Coopers ain't normal, bro. And I'm here.
Hey, but we out though.
I hold the phone properly.
Vandaag they're gonna
One cars. Nah, he's cooking it, boy. Let's leave. Let's leave.
Nah, there's like how.
Hey, brothers, God is there. We have to shoot content, bro. Hey, bro. If I ever cross your mind.
If I ever cross your mind, if I ever cross your mind, you call me. If I ever cross your mind, do I ever cross your mind? If I ever cross your mind, please call me. Road wave, motherfucker, boy.
I keep my gun in my jaws, back in the
Sandals, my phone says 7 missed calls. I know it's bad news.
This love you let me so
I
scarred.
never asked you.
Remember time got so hard.
I done been tattooed.
And then I should me some bread. I gotta keep the
Family faith.
Just so the pops about the face.
I ain't gonna lie, he hear me scared. Look, I hear them running, nigga. I feel them running, nigga. I feel them down bad.
Keep it 100, my girl, don't live my yes.
If you spend some time,
I promise I'll be here when I can get some time. Right now, I gotta get some mine. I'll be taking till the end of time. If I these niggas cause they lame,
cause they love say my name.
we say right at you to check on
And they
me.
face in a
Tombstone where they bury me.
by the river they were carrying me. Finally, I be resting in peace. Finally.
I
Let me
got
shut
to
up.
fly away.
Someday,
If I these
niggas
niggas
cause they lame, cause they love say my name.
me say right at you to check on game.
Hold on.
Tombstone where they bury me. By the river they were carrying me.
Finally, I be resting in peace. Finally. Hold on now.
Sing another. By your side, by your side.
Ganito.
Nah, we want it there. Okay, let's do the side then.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay, let's do the side then.
No, that both of my wrists is Friday. I began so hungry into this money. I've been working like I know the judge is coming. Monday to Monday, Sunday to Sunday. You know I'm scream running. Okay, my daddy was a gangster. What the fuck that made me?
Nigga came in out his loud.
The body can't be. But I fell in love with guns by the age of 13.
My pocket rocket.
Hold me, don't fuck dying in my tubular. I'm living in my Richard Millie.
I just finished the tour. I never
feel it. I got inside my bag, got out of my feelings, Hey everybody, don't you worry about the distance. I'm right here if you get on it. Type shit. Where we at? Where we at?
Where we at?
Nobody.
Times Square with
Nobody. Nobody. Nobody.
we chef for the hoes.
Nobody. Nobody.
Chef for the hoes.
Nobody. 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 Nobody.